We are very passionate about the brand that we're creating, and I think that's both how we engage with our members, but also the digital solutions we provide to them. It's not one thing, it's really this aggregate of who we are and what we're delivering, and I think such a big part of that is what we do, but also the partners that we have. I like to think of us as a technology company providing financial services, and we just need to partner with technology companies that really have that same DNA and that same passion about providing these solutions to members. So we've chosen wisely with Eltropy. The change in our culture at InRoads. Banking is a very traditional process, if you will, very commoditized. And we have gone through a process where we've really created a digital brand, if you will, over the last number of years with interactive teller machines, our video banking via Pop.io, and now with Eltropy, our text solution. I think the biggest challenge for us, and I think it's common in our industry, is really staffing. We have, the Great Resignation, the pandemic, we've had turnover, and we've been really unable to bring in seasoned bankers into our organization. So we're bringing in people with a lack of experience that we are having to train up, and as part of that, we're training them in this new model, this transformation model that we're currently implementing across the organization. So some of our more seasoned staff are working through this, and so we're bringing, we're mentoring them as well as the new staff we're bringing on. So that's been a bit of a challenge for us. Part of this new transformation model that we're placing is, we really want to create space to have deeper conversations with our members. And as part of that, you really got to dig in deep to their financial journey, their financial well-being. And it's really hard for somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience to really dig in to have that conversation and be authentic and really create trust as you're building that relationship with your member or prospective member. In today's world, the consumer expectation is very much instant gratification, and I think texting really speaks to that. So I think as we're able to move those conversations into a text, we get much quicker response. We know our membership love it, and I think it's just going to grow and grow and grow within our processes to just be more part of who we are. Banking is very traditional, but for our new consumers and our new members, if you will, they're not used to those traditions. They're used to how Apple does business. They're used to how Amazon does business. And I think their expectation is one that this is how I do business as a member. So we really want to be able to have them bank on the terms that they expect, because they will find it elsewhere if we don't. I think we get a lot of, oh my gosh, I'm so happy you're doing this. Whether it's video banking, whether it's text communication, all of these channels, we're seeing very positive results. So I think that's part of our initiative, just to keep growing and growing that, because again, it's just the expectation. Well, it's been great. I think any conference I go to, the opportunity to speak with other credit union leaders is just really valuable, because we are so much the same and we have common pain points. So we can really just, sometimes it's a little bit of a therapy session, but sometimes we find solutions that they're doing that we really can use. And the great thing about the credit union space, it's very collaborative in that way. So that's great. I think the other thing that really stands out to me is the partnership that the credit unions have with Eltropy. I think this leadership summit is about providing us a voice to really share about where we need to go, where we're going, so we can work together to create the solutions that ultimately are going to create a superior member experience for, again, members and prospective members.